Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another vlog. So this morning I actually got up, got me a pot of coffee, and get ready to actually clean off my cane ends. These are just temporary. I'm ready. Eventually gonna get a whole cold air intake set up. So we'll go ahead and start cleaning them now and drink some coffee. I don't understand the purpose of this whole oil filter. I guess air filter oil for the cane ends. I really think it's kind of stupid, but then again, I'm gonna just go ahead and use it. So that's all that stuff. I let it dry overnight. So we're gonna just go ahead and see. I'll make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, so don't want to do too much. And I'm going to do the other one. But that's pretty much it for this morning. Just go ahead and coat this, put this back in the Z, bring it in the garage, and take a look. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about the other day. All that mud is just right up there. So I'm gonna have to clean that right off. All right, and as you see, my hole is lost. Damn big, but that's where the part I was telling you about is. I have the OEM. It's a little bit smaller than what I have, so yeah. There we go. So all that's finally come off the car. I had to go pee really bad, so now I'm grabbing some water and I make my way in a little bit early.
Ready.
Alright, now I've been getting ready to make my way to work, and since I'm shot by QT, I just parked at a gas pump, and like I get right back out. It's a line, like everybody's trying to get into a pump area, I guess. Alright, let's go ahead and make our way to work. We're gonna go ahead and go in a little bit early. I got something to tell y'all too, so it sucks. It is a bit windy out here. So I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know if you can see it, but get rid of that thing on the bottom. Oh, just gorgeous. Oh, and it's a hot day. Then get ready to go take my car, go get vacuum. It is dirty. It's really dirty. I don't know if you can see all down there. It's like horrible. I kind of over-exaggerate a little bit on some of the things. Like, I know my car is not bad, like really bad at being dirty, but I like to keep it vacuum pretty much frequent. I mean, even though I have a free vacuum car wash place over there with free vacuum, I can get my car vacuum. I mean, I might as well take advantage of those moments. Cold startup. Well, not really a cold startup, but a good startup. Alright, well, let's go and have at it. What's going on, everybody? So actually, I think get ready to make a run, an errand. This is day number 2. Sad to say again, it is raining. I can't stand the rain. So, but my package did came in, so I'm excited. I'll show you. My logos came in, and these are what I ordered. The Z emblems. Ordered 2 of those. So when I get back from doing my errands, I will install them. But I just don't want to drive in this rain. All right, and here's a cold start. Eventually, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna put either iPad, but like a tablet here. For now, I'm thinking about a boost gauge or just a gauge here. Or I don't know what I really want to do with this so far, but eventually I will get rid of this. And also with the radio, I want to get rid of this because when I got the car, this actually came with it. It's Kenwood, and it's not Bluetooth. I don't like that. I have to sit here and connect this damn cord to my phone to listen to music, and it sucks. It really, really sucks. So I prefer Bluetooth, and it's a lot better. Also, I will be ordering another knob. This one has scratches all on top of it. I don't know if I really want to keep this one or change it for like a big one, or just replace it with the same one. So let me know in the comment what you think on changing that out. All right. So just made it to this place, my brother's place. Gonna pick him up and take him to work, and yeah. So I'll get y'all back at the house. Alright, I got the faucet I needed after I dropped my brother off at work. Now it's time to head back home and get started on it. Well, it's pouring non-stop. I need to get started before I get through this traffic, so I don't like being in traffic. It sucks. Alright, so far I'm gonna reheat it back up. So, finally got this off, and all you gotta do is work on getting all this off, and then let's get ready for the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish getting all this off. I'm using my nails. Don't want to, because this is plastic, so I'm not worrying about it being, I'm gonna finish this up, and we'll put on the new badge. I got the majority of it off, and this is what it's going to look like. So, looks really good. I'm actually loving the way it looks. So, alright, let's get, I'm going to go ahead and get this double-sided sticky tape. Alright, so far I got everything done. Work on the back half and get it all set and put back together, so get the car in the garage and have it ready for the wife when she gets home. So, alright, I'll show y'all some pictures. Yeah, I'll show you some pictures. I don't know how I forgot to do the before and after, but anyways, hope y'all enjoy this. Let's get to it. It is completed. I like the way it looked. It came out really good. Let me show you the back. It came out really, really good. I love it. It looks really good. Everybody, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a like below, and this light in the background is really annoying. Alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Make sure you turn on your notifications to get more updates on what's coming up next. Again, everybody, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Till next time, guys.